Welcome back, guys.
Welcome back. We have just finished up at our awesome free camp here at Notch Point.
Oh, mate, it was so good, eh?
I don't know if you can see it out the window, but the view from up here, just as we're leaving, is incredible. The colour of that water is just next level. But today, our main mission is groceries.
Yep, and then head to Mackay.
Yeah.
I think that's how you pronounce it.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure.
And I've been looking up some four drive tracks to give you guys some real entertainment. They look a bit hectic, but we'll go have a look and we'll see how we go, eh? Alrighty, so successful or non-successful day today, Megan?
Well, semi-successful.
Semi-successful.
Did groceries, that's good enough.
Yeah. We did about...
I don't know. Were we successful though? Because we didn't successfully leave.
Find a free campground.
Oh no, I was going to say we didn't successfully leave Woolworths without buying like all of the bloody snacks.
Oh man, we left Woolies and we bought lollies, chocolate, popcorn, chips, rice crackers.
That's why you don't go food shopping hungry.
Yeah. But anyway, we finally made it to our free camp. We went to about 2 or 3 today around the Mackay area and they were just packed. Hey.
Yeah, pretty busy. Even this one is quite busy,
yeah,
but
it's pretty busy.
It's very...
And it's always caravans, eh?
Yeah.
And then we go to pop our tent up and everyone's like, what are you doing? What are you doing with a tent?
I like this spot though. It's very like peaceful sounding. I think apparently trains come by in the middle of the night though. So
there's a train track like right there.
Yeah. I think it's going to be pretty loud. But I think for at least the sunset, we can enjoy the serene nature of the place. But yeah, hopefully we don't get woken up by any trains in the middle of the night.
We're pretty knackered. We did a lot of driving today, but doesn't matter. I think we'll have an early one and we're heading to the national park tomorrow.
Exploring early tomorrow
morning. Oh yeah, got some good stuff planned. We'll see you in the morning. We made it. It wasn't as an intense drive in as we thought, eh?
Yeah, we just went straight from that last camp to this one because we were expecting, well, we didn't know what to expect really. We did have to go really uphill.
We had a
though,
wicked
so
uphill.
Troopy was going pretty slow up there.
But
yeah, what an awesome spot.
So I think there was one easy way in and one hard way in.
Yeah, so we
got the easy way.
Take the hard way tomorrow maybe.
Yeah, there is a huge water crossing over there, so we'll take that out tomorrow. Alrighty, let's make this fire.
Another reason that's good, we've got the whole place to ourselves. Finally gets to use the chainsaw again.
I think the blade's blunt on it, and I don't even know if I should be cutting this stuff. Let's see what it does, eh? Yeah, the blade's stuffed. Oh well, I reckon I could get that alight anyway. I didn't bring any kindling, so it's going to be fun trying to bloody light the fire. Oh, we've got cardboard.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Get a load of the setup, mate. How good does that look, eh? Nachos for dinner tonight. Well,
oh, it's kind of working.
It's pulling apart. It's not really pulling apart as we hoped, is it?
The way that we expected it, but it smells bomb.
Alright, let's get those nachos
Don't
ready.
film me struggling with this.
It's pretty good though, it looks pretty good. I tasted it.
I think there's a different way of doing this. I'm probably doing it wrong. But.
Classic. Holy crap, guys, look. Look at this. Look how close this bloke's letting me get to. Oh, he doesn't look. Look at that. How crazy is that? I've never been that close to a kookaburra. And look, they're up here as well. Look, they're everywhere. Whoa. Dinner's looking good as well. Oh, mate.
Oh, look at the three.
It's a bloody great day.
3 twins up there.
Look at them all.
Hey guys.
Sorry, we're probably getting so excited over some kookaburras. But they're just everywhere, eh? Look at that. Who would have thought you could do that in a campfire oven, eh?
And especially like, ooh.
Oh, yeah. Food porn, baby.
Winging the recipe as well. The beef turned out pretty good. Stoked.
You don't want to... you don't want to hear us eating and talking at the same time, so...
I don't want to hear that either.
I think that's going to wrap up today and we'll see you tomorrow.
Yes, we are doing something very exciting tomorrow.
Oh, yeah.
Going hunting. So today we've seen kookaburras and tomorrow we're going hunting for another classic Aussie
Animal.
We've
seen koalas, we've seen kookaburras. What else have we seen? We've seen some
kangaroos,
dolphins.
obviously.
But yeah, we've got a classic one tomorrow. See you later. Good morning, we're up nice and early this morning and we are on the platypus hunt, if you haven't gathered yet. But first, we've got to tackle a little water crossing. It actually might be the biggest one we've done so far.
Yeah, there's no what's
Size,
it called?
depth size
Yeah.
thing. But I'm going in, stuff it. Have a look at it. Oh yeah. Let's see what happens. It's pretty big, eh?
Yeah.
I'm going in. Yeah, see what it looks like out the window. What happened there? I think the diff got caught up on a rock.
Uh-oh.
Alright, let's go find these bloody platypus.
Here's a little behind the scenes of YouTube. Jack just made me walk up this giant bloody hill to film him driving up it. Oh, is he coming? Coming already. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's huge.
Well, this turns out to be awesome. These hills are massive. I just hope there's no rutted hills up there because the only way to go is forward, so we can't turn around. Lucky we got the lucker. I think it'll be alright. Hasn't been raining or anything. I hope. Another water crossing here.
I reckon it should be alright because it's dry over there.
Down there.
So if we did the other one, then surely this one would be alright, eh?
I hope so. We bottomed out on the other one. Let's go, eh? You ready?
I'm ready. I don't think I'm going to keep the camera in the car for this one in case you were to
Might be a bit bouncy, but let's do it. That seems alright. I hope. Yeah, a piece of piss, mate. Done it. I guess it's just like, we've never done water crossings before, so it's all new to us.
Yeah.
So hopefully we get more confident.
Yeah.
We got him.
This is the best day ever.
I think they can hear so well, so we have to be really quiet.
Yeah, I'm surprised that one stuck around so long, because the first couple that I tried to take photos of, as soon as my shutter went off, they like went back down under the water.
They keep popping up everywhere.
I think there's at least like 5 here.
Yeah. Look, they just pop up. Another one off the bucket list, guys.
Now we just need to see a wombat.
Yeah, wombat.
And photograph an echidna, because we saw an echidna.
Yeah.
But he was too shy to film.
Alright, let's hope a nice big one pops up.
And there's heaps of turtles.
Oh yeah, there's 3 turtles. One there, and one there. Look at them all. How cool is that?
Oh, there's cows over there.
Megan's made me pull over so she can get pictures of some cows. Look at her, she's gone nuts. Got an insane water crossing. Whoa, 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 whoa! Full of crocs. Crocodiles everywhere. Holy moly! Where are we, Megan?
So, next stop of the day is Finch Hatton Gorge.
Yep.
So we're finally back
It's more for like a bit of fitness, eh?
Yeah, we haven't been for a walk or done any sort of fitness in a while, so this will be good. And it's not the best day, so usually you can go swimming here, but
it's gonna be freezing.
we won't be swimming today. But yeah,
right,
let's go check it out. Pretty cool, hey?
Awesome. One with nature, guys.